Welcome friend in our channel Devlan's Stack. In last video we have to talk about how to create page in Python Django. So first we have to open our project. So go to Visual Studio Code and open the terminal. And open your project using the cd command and type the project name Python project and run your project Python manage.py, run server and press enter and open the project in browser. So in last video we have to design home page and package page, and also I will tell you have to design training and contact us page. So I also designed the training page and contact us page and also manage the routes of both page. So today we have to talk about Django admin panel. So if we have to type admin in our URL and press enter, so it will show the login page of Django administration, but we don't have username and password. Django provide by default admin panel. So for creating the username and password, go to your project terminal and type here one command python manage.py, create super user and press enter. It will ask you a super username. If you press the enter, then it will take the admin as a super username. So we have to type here our super username is dev plans and then press the enter, and you can also type the email if you want, otherwise press the enter, type the password and press enter and confirm the password again and then press the enter. It will show the warnings for our password, like our password is too short and password don't have any special character, the password length is not 8 character. So if you want to bypass this warning, press Y here and press enter. So our supervisor is created successfully, and now we have to again run our server. So use the command python manage.py, run server, press enter and go to your browser, refresh the browser and type here the username devlans and your password and press enter. So we successfully log in our admin panel. So here you have to look, welcome to devlans, this is the username, and if you want to visit your website then click view website. it will take you on your website. And so go to again admin panel, type admin, and it will take you back to your admin panel. So here you can change your password also, and you can log out by clicking on logout and go to users. It will show you your username and the email address we don't give there. So if you want to give the email address and first name last name, then you have to click on users, and here you have to type your first name and last name and email address. And click on the save button. So it will save the first name and email address also. If you want to type last name, it will show the last name. This green checkbox button showing that this user is activated by the Django. So we have to talk about how to create user in Django. In next video we have to talk how to fetch and retrieve and save data in database, and how to show the data in our Django admin panel. So thank you for watching, and subscribe our channel for more video and updates.